Hello everyone, welcome to this lesson. Today we will manipulate the project. We will discuss about node selection, filter and dimension. So for filter we have this window here. So we have group, geometry and a group. We have all member here. And here this for selection here. So if we click here, we can select all the node we have. For example, we have here node, we have member, for example, like that. So we select the member. We can select with the pricing, for example, and then the two type of member. We can add, for example, column. So we have a group of selection here. We can play with it. We can isolate it by here. So we say this structure. For example, I can select from here member, so like that, and then isolate it like that. So this for member, for node the same way. So node here, node, for example, bnet for the support. So I can make like this, so it is isolated, close, and then I can do like that. So I have all the support here isolated. It's very efficacious for the reaction. It's good. I can define a group of selection, for example here a group, and then I can, for example, select this 3 bar, and then I can create a group of selection. So I have selection of bar here and selection of node. So I can for example here, and then show active. So I have 3 bar because the node is not active. If I activate the node, so I can see in the node, for example, and then show active. So I have this node here. I can disable, hide, for example, show. I don't show the node. I can, for example, hide this and activate, show active. I have just the node here. So like that. I can, for example, from here I can for example select. I can define this option here, display attribute only for selected object only. So all structure increase. So for example apply OK, and then I select here like that. Here there is a lot of parameter and option. I can, for example, it's not selected. I can here 100. Okay, so I have extra project here. So 13, apply OK. Member, so here member name, go to group, select a name, for example, so like that. Apply model, for example, local system support release, so there is a lot of selection that for here. And what we have selection, okay, we have, for example, a tools dimension, so I can, for example, I can find the selection, the longer of element. We have to be careful about selection, because we can make a mistake. So I can put that here, for example. So other thing I can do is I can change, for example, this member, this bar, it's from 24 to 23, so I can modify this bar from here. So in place of 23 I can put 11, so I modify this bar easily from here. I can modify the section of this bar in the same way, so like that. So here I have these tools, I can put here, zoom or rotate, zoom pan. Here it's efficacious to. So that's all for today. The next lesson we will see verification of section, how to can verify the section of this structure, and define what is good, what is bad. So see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.
Thank you.